You ready to do this?
Yeah.
And I call back. Niggas tryna flex. Tell me that I'm lost and located in the back though. Don't even wanna check. Niggas still want.
Ooh. That's good. Nothing.
I'm telling you.
What'd you do?
I took a swim. 2 inches.
Got these tire stickers.
Hey, you like the new shit kick?
Got the new boots. Already did this truck. This is my truck. Did you buy any? Cause I've got some extra.
Yeah, I got some.
Where at? You didn't even call me when you're.
6 pack. 6 pack.
All right. What is that? This. Yeah, it'll work. All right. So this is what we got. We got some good old fashioned acetone. Some good old fashioned stickers. About $5 worth of paper towels. And some of his stepsister's nail polish. Stepsister?
Oh,
One time.
I can't.
One time. It looks like.
I'm gonna let you put them on.
Alright, yeah, I'll do that.
Well, you know what now? I'll basically do the same thing as the last time.
You do the cleaning process. Okay, so basically for the tire stickers, if you want them to stick good, open your truck.
Okay, you're gonna have to cut that out. I gotta put some.
To get them to stick good, you basically open this and pull the driver's side blind down. And that should help a lot with how it'll stick and perform. You ready? You getting some tonight?
Alright.
Is that good?
Yeah, that's good.
Get down to business.
Okay, so we got the new unboxing videos. Not too much now.
Yeah, that's actually kind of a lot.
Oh yeah.
Got John Boy pulled up.
Until nothing black is up.
You know help.
Yeah, you got. We gotta do it.
Alright, make sure the lid is open and when you pour it in it.
God, dude,
Alright.
dude.
You're good, you're good. Alright, now it'll be extra clean. Come on. Oh yeah. We'll hit the front real quick. Oops. Hey. Like a little bit, but not too much, you know? It stings. Jesus Christ. Dude, that is a lot.
Oh, Josh. You know it. Getting them clean.
Dude, it's stuck inside the bag. There we go. And we're missing the Itto. Where's the TTI?
What are you doing Saturday?
Well, if the tool comes in, it'll be fixed this weekend.
Dude, I've never been to South Beach.
He's gonna come to the house and we're gonna fix
No, I've never.
Clean, clean.
Yeah, get in there nice and deep black. Come on. A little more. You, come on. Whoa, 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 whoa! What are you doing?
I'm just kicking this.
Your four-wheeler can't make it over that?
No. It'll get stuck.
Do wheelie. You happy?
Yeah. I am.